And they're trying to reverse that trend right here with a great opportunity. Stamkos across the shot. They score! Nikita Kucherov from a sharp angle finds the net.
8 guys into shooting, and then that opens up lanes on the back door, and he finds Kucherov, who's wide open.
It to Nemestikov. Islanders stacking up that line. Stamkos able to play it in deep. Johnson after it to Palat. Feeding it. Stamkos shoots. He scores! Stamkos rifles it in and out of the net so fast. Well, Jack Capuano not the start he wants to see here as the Islanders are challenging.
Well, Tyler Johnson right here, as you get a look at him, his skate is in the air, and I think they may have a case here.
After video review, the play was offsides prior to the goal. Therefore, we have no goal on the play.
Making his way in the NHL, making the roster with Ryan Callahan out after hip surgery and missing the first 8 games. Shot by Hickey, saved by Bishop. Edmund has it back. Kucherov closing in, looking to make something happen. He scores! He found the corner, Nikita Kucherov.
The whole way, avoiding that stick check by Brock Nelson, finds the lane right by the feet of
particular from Hickey. Here's Kucherov with a quick stop. It's relayed to Slater. Cuckoo, his shot. They score! Cuckoo fires it through a crowd. Tampa Bay leading 3-0.
Right here, they kick it out to the outside. Kucherov finds a late trailing guy. Palat's in front of the net, and then that little tip play.
In the slot on the one-touch. Boyle shoots, he scores! Ryan Callahan touched it over to Brian Boyle, who scores on the backhand. He makes it 4-0 Tampa Bay.
Ryan Callahan, nice pass by Philpo, a little touch pass. Knows Brian Boyle is there on the back door.
He missed 5 with a leg injury, but boy, when he's been in the lineup, he's been really good, scoring 2 points in the last game against the Maple Leafs.
Wojciech winding, shooting, and Bishop out to get a blocker on it. A cranking one over the net, and it comes off the glass to center, picked up by Brown, racing in on Halak. He shoots, he scores! A short-handed goal to go with 2 power play goals.
But man, oh man, this has been a tough night for the New York Islanders as we get a look at that goal again.
Hangs on to it, feeding it in front for Killorn, defended by Leddy. They score! Puck deflected in the air, and then it rolled in, perhaps off Halak.
The coaches take a look at this, wondering if they're going to have a challenge here or not. As you see the bouncing puck, it goes off of Halak, and then somehow
Johnson centering for Kucherov, as well as Palat. Hedman and Stamkos back at the points here. Stamkos feeding inside of the goal, and Halak get a piece of that on the Johnson try. Stamkos controlling. Nelson out with Seidenberg and DeHaan on the kill. 5-on-3. Kucherov firing. Halak got there, and it's cleared out. Now Tavares in the slot, deflecting that shot. Boy, Bishop made a save in the first one. The second one just flipped wide as he's trying to get on the board, lead his team here. Backhands it on goal. Bishop, a pad save on the second try. Pressured now by Callahan. Strome gets it back, and he gave it up to Brown. Brown steps away from Tavares. He's off to the races again. Brown cutting in a goal. Saved by Halak, and he stopped Callahan.
He's had a nice hockey game here tonight.
Shot for the point. Seidenberg shoots, he scores! Dennis Seidenberg ripping one home. And the Islanders get on the board.
who's in the shooting lane but doesn't come up with the block, and Nemestikov was mad at himself after this goal.
Stamkos turning to find it. Gets it to Garrison, kept it on the line. Around they work it to Palat. Garrison out of Stamkos, firing, and as Halak makes that right pad save, pairing with Johnson in front of Garrison and Schuster. Tavares brings it ahead. Stopped by Garrison, bouncing puck. Tavares shoots, saved by Bishop. Calvin DeHaan angling it out for Strome. And it's relayed now for Nelson shooting, saved by Bishop. He stopped the rebound as well. Brian, you made the point. Tampa Bay needing a good start offensively, and Ian Stamkos really took matters into their hands. Well, that'll do it for this one as the Tampa Bay Lightning win it by the count of 6-1.